You want to warm up? Okay. Let's touch A. Good. Touch E. Good. Touch U. Touch Z.
And the season.
Yep. Let's see. Can you spell cat?
C.
A. T. Great.
Let's
spell dog.
Sunny all day, we on your way.
How about
Now we're gonna remember everyone.
Let's touch it on this. Okay, let's try using our pointer.
Let's
touch E.
them
all. Okay, touch U.
Got to see my feet.
U. Let's touch U. Good. Touch Y.
Right.
Okay, touch M. Okay, try using this finger. Pointer. There you go. It's a lot easier for me to tell what you're pointing to. Okay? Alright, we're going to get started on Alexander Hamilton. Okay? So Alexander Hamilton never attained or succeeded in achieving the office of president. Okay?
Now
So Alexander
we'll read them all.
Never attained the office of president. Let's try spelling attained.
It's you.
A. Good.
Oh.
T. T. Okay. Up. A. Good. I. N. Okay. Oops. E. And what's the last letter? Up. D.
Duffy.
What's the, no, D. What makes the D sound?
D.
Yep. Great.
No.
Yeah, so although Alexander Hamilton never attained the office of president, few of America's founding fathers. Okay. Now the founding fathers are the individuals of the 13 British colonies in North America who led the American Revolution against the authority of the British Crown. And they are the ones that established the United States of America. Now how many colonies did I say there were? What?
Now,
One. That's good. 3. 13. Very good. Okay, now do you want to see what the original 13 colonies look like? Okay, so here's the whole United States now. So when they had the Revolutionary War, there was only these 13 colonies, okay? Georgia, South Carolina, here you want to point with me? Okay. South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, whoops, keep going, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and New Hampshire. So that's 13. Let's count. 1. Can you count with me? Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? So those are the 13 colonies. Okay? So we're talking about the founding fathers, and Alexander Hamilton was one of the few founders that influenced or had an effect on the development of its political system. No one affected the political system more than Hamilton. Okay? So he influenced the political system.
What fun!
Now, who do you think has an influence on our political system today? Do you think it's the singer Kanye West? Or do you think President Obama has more of an influence on our political system?
Oh. No.
No. Okay, which one is the right answer? Yeah, President Obama. He's the president. So he has an influence on politics. Okay. Can we spell Obama? Let's spell Obama. O-B-A-M-A. Great. Okay. Now, a political system is a system of politics and government that has a coordinated set of principles, laws, ideas, and procedures. For example, democracy is a political system in the United States in which citizens govern themselves. So what did I say as an example? Democracy or anthropology?
Nobody.
So which one's an example of a political system? Democracy. Okay. Let's write democracy. Okay. You think you can write it yourself? And let's write on this line. Good. Okay, okay. Hi, great. So now, it originally born,
No.
Hamilton was originally born in the British West Indies. British West Indies. Now, the British West Indies are the British overseas territories in places like the Caribbean and Bermuda, the Cayman Islands, Turks and Caicos, and Montserrat. And before, like over the years, there have been many of these nations that have received their independence. So before nowadays, there was many more islands that were part of the British West Indies. Here, want to see a map of it? So this is what the West Indies. These are a lot of the islands that were part of it. They're all really small here. But down here is Aruba, Jamaica used to be part. Not anymore. Up here is Bermuda's up here somewhere. But all these islands are where people vacation because they're all in the tropics. They have really nice resorts there. I'd like to go there someday. Okay? So now what do you think the climate of the British West Indies was like? Do you think it was hot, like in Florida, or cold, like up in the Arctic?
Hot.
Yep, hot. Let's go hot. Okay, let's see. Great. Okay. Okay. Now, he was born in the British West Indies, but he moved to the mainland at the age of 17. So mainland, age of 17. Now, what do you think I mean by the mainland?